Google Drive is made by Google, a product to use it as a cloud storage to save your photos and videos in your cloud without taking a space of your own device. It's pretty simple and cheap. It's free for the 15 GB. Then you give money for more data and more space. But this video will tell you how you can download pictures from Google Drive to your iPhone. It's pretty simple. Honestly, it's pretty simple. You have to go to the Google Drive app. If you not have, just install it in your iPhone, log in with your Google account where you saved the photos. Now look at the photos you want to download to your iPhone, tap on the three dot and render it. Tap send a copy and then select a save image, save to the picture from Google Drive to the iPhone Photos app. Alternatively, you can save the photos to another app like Files app by tapping three dot icon and open in Files, save to files. It's pretty easy to operate. You don't need a PC or third party app. It's easy to download directly to your phones, and you can do the same with other videos and stuff. Again, Google Drive is a product by Google that can help you to make your cloud storage better place.